I recently had a customer who ordered gorgeous porcelain flower earrings. They were clip-on earrings, and she has never had clip-on earrings before, so she wasn't sure how to use them. So I just wanted to demonstrate. When you receive clip-on earrings, they'll come with this gorgeous sort of little hook, and all you need to do is to simply open it. Can you see? Open it and clip it onto your ear with the diamond, the crystal facing forward, and you simply clip it on the lower earlobe, and there they are. Voila. If you have any questions, any problems, anything that you'd like to ask us and help with, let me know. I am genuinely thrilled to receive messages from customers. I reply as quickly as I can, typically immediately within a few hours or within 24 hours if I'm sleeping. And I just wanted to let you know, if I am not replying immediately, it's likely because we are asleep. I'm in Australia. So if you're ordering from Europe, when you're awake, we are asleep, and we are asleep, you're awake. So just please be patient. We will definitely respond as quickly as we can. And we deeply care and want you to have a wonderful experience with us. So let us know if you can help with anything, and we'll be thrilled to assist you. Sending you so much love.